Hello guys, in this video we're going to have a look at Minitool Partition Wizard. This is one of the most used software on this channel. Minitool Partition Wizard is a tool that helps you create, delete, format, move, resize, wipe or merge your hard drive partitions. You can also convert FAT32 to NTFS. You can also clone your hard drive or copy your OS from one hard drive to another, and so much more. Now let's install. Click on the link in the description and it should take you to this page for Minitool Partition Wizard. Here you can select between the free edition, the pro edition and the server edition. Now you can use the free edition forever for free and you should have access to most of these tools. So for this test we are going to use the free edition. Download, and then we can close our browser. And then open our download folder. Here we can double click on Minitool Partition Wizard to install. Yes. Select a language for the installation and continue. We're going to continue installing the free edition and then next. Here we can next. Confirm the location and install. Click on finish to launch. So here is Minitool Partition Wizard. Now under disk 1 you should see all our partitions from 16 MB unallocated, 833 gig our backup partition and 97 gig running another OS, which we can easily right click on and then delete that partition. Now you can see 97 gig unallocated. Right click on our backup partition and then we can extend. Here we can select the unallocated partition from the free space and then set how much we want to extend. Click on OK. Now you can see we've added around 48 gig and you can see the unallocated. Now we can extend further and then just max out everything, so we extend the total unallocated storage. OK, and you can see it has extended the partition. Now you can see by the left we can confirm the changes before we apply them, so we can take note of whatever we are doing. If we are making any mistake, we can correct that before we apply, and it's as easy as that. Now there are other things we can do with Minitool Partition Wizard that you shouldn't be able to do on Windows by default. So let's open disk management, which is the default Windows tool for partitioning, and you can see our EFI partition on disk 1, 100 MB healthy EFI system. If we right click on this partition to change the letter, we can't extend the volume, we can't increase or reduce the size, and we can't basically do anything with this. That is because Windows is preventing us from doing this. With Minitool Partition Wizard we can just easily right click on the same partition right here, and from here we can change the letter, we can reduce or increase the size so we can accommodate other bootloaders and so much more. So whatever you do, make sure to click on apply to apply the changes, and it's as easy as that. Now there are other features of Minitool Partition Wizard, like copying the OS from one hard drive to another. So we just copy the operating system to another disk and then keep the original hard disk in this computer. So let's click on next. Here we are going to select the destination, which is our disk 1, 931 gig. Our disk 2 contains Windows, so that can't be the destination. So we're going to select our disk 1, which is our backup drive and has no OS there. Now we can click on next and then click on yes to continue, but I don't want to do this, so I'm just going to close it. Now you can also clone your hard drive, clone every single file in that drive to another drive. Now this is very useful if you got a new hard drive and you want to clone everything from your old hard drive, so you don't have to reinstall every single program. First select the source, your old hard drive, and next, and then we can select the destination, which is our target disk, our new hard drive, and then we can click on next. So that is it for Minitool Partition Wizard. There are so much more I would like you to explore yourself. The free plan gives you access to many of these features, and you can also consider upgrading to the pro plan with even more features. So here is just a breakdown of things you have access to. The link to this software will be in the video description. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.